uNdlovu lo muntu wamhlohla ukuthi enze ama-foul alimaza abantu.
Kwi-Durban City manje.
Ya umcwenyiwe lo muntu khona i-warning ayitholile. uNdlovu last game azange athole ikhadi azange adlale i-rough. Namhlanje ube ne-clean game emnandi. Ileyo engimaziyo mina uNdlovu.
So ngene emadebeni. So bafethu uNdlovu ngiyakhumbula bafethu last year sesamgxeka heavily criticizing ukuthi yini into ayidlalayo. But bafethu kulomdlalo engubone namhlanje ayi black ball ayi no ayidlalile fethu clean. Instead bewabadlali beSundowns bebedlala uLokhunja uNdlovu kabi. Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Nkabi. So bafethu sithi welcome back to starting 11. So bafethu namhlanje bekudlala iKaizer Chiefs versus iMamelodi Sundowns, a league game at FNB Stadium. Umdlalo bafethu uphele ngo-1-1. So it was a game of two halves. Second half uLangelihle Phili open scoring assisted by uNdlovu. Then minutes later Mailula, Cassius Mailula, he came with an equalizer. Then that was it. So bafethu, before we get into the game, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11XI. So sibura uyaphila.
Moja kunjani?
Hayi grand. So bafethu ubone kanjani umdlalo? Let's get into it. Yeah.
Sinibingelele ma followers ma subscribers zethu. Sibuda in the house of Starting 11. Sibonele igame ibemnandi ikakhulukazi ku second half. Yeah, inhloso yeChiefs namhlanje siya defender siphuma ngecounter. Ngebhadi i-striker besingeyena umuntu ozoba ne-capability okanye ozokwazi ukuthi a-break through i-defense yeMamelodi Sundowns. Izokwazi ukuthi ama-counter akhona akwazi ukuthi abe yigoli.
Break it through
a
weak defensive Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, bam-overratile ukuthi ku-overratwa lokhu kwakhe uLokhunja Batman. Yeah, bekungamele kube uye i-strike mhlambe bebengamkhethela kwenye i-position.
So kufike kube uBatman uPhili uNdlovu uMthethwa Mabuwe. Then bese kuba i-backline 5. uMiguel uMoloisane
uQuinita
then bese kuba labo two Monyane simshilo Monyane ubani loqina
khona lo uthola ikhadi umlibele kwi-defense ye-Chiefs.
But what I can say uMoloisane ngiyayibona importance yakhe lapha kwi-defense. Yeah, sekhona stability sikhona lapha.
Uyu uMoloisane. Nomonyane noZitha. No Miguel. Yeah, yon defense Chiefs leyo.
Yeah.
Sundowns Van Wyk ayimsindile igame benomkhulisi ibasindile igame. Modiba bephansi kanye naye. So if iChiefs okanye nalabadlali bebafikile kakhulukazi esiswini lokho kwenza ukuthi uAlenda angadlali le bhola ajwayele ukudlala ngayo mhlambe bezokwancane kube khona umkwela okwamenti usiki kakhulukazi second half uvele wavaleka wathi ngci. Ingakho ke bekudingeka ama substitutes second half. First half nje igame ibiyiduma ibe nama official mistake access yama mistake manje sekukwenza amabomu ko linesman ama offside angesiyiwa. Yabo
I think out of 4 3 offside they were wrong, incorrect calls.
Johannes imsindile igame wenza i-tackle okanye i-foul ebeyingamledela kwi-card. Even walenza lelo phutha uAlende naye uMathele wayenza le abantu abangajwayele ukuthi babe ne-rough over bafoul but bakwenzile due to ukuthi igame ibiyisinda kakhulu. Ibiyisinda abafoulile yebo basindile abanye babo emakhadini first half bese kuba nje i-officiating no referee bisathanda ukumsinda. UZitha ke angazi le yanto ebeyenza thola ikhadi kwinika besingekho isidingo sokuthi Miguel besingekho isidingo salento eyenzile ukuze athi hayo
kahle nje
umonye ama-defense bawolile amakhadi uNdlovu lo muntu wamhlohla ukuthi enze ama-foul alimaza abantu
Durban City manje
ya umtswenyiwe lo muntu khona i-warning ayitholile uNdlovu last game azange athole ikhadi azange adlale rough namhlanje ube ne-clean game emnandi ileyo engimaziyo mina uNdlovu
so ngene madebe so bafethu uNdlovu ngiyakhumbula bafethu last year sesamgxeka heavily criticizing ukuthi yini into ayidlalayo but bafethu kulomdlalo engubone namhlanje ayi black ball ayi no ayi udlalile fethu clean instead bewabadlali beSundowns bebedlala uLokhunja uNdlovu kabi but ukwazile ukhipha icomposure wadlala wagcina isithola ne assist hayi Ndlovu udlalile fethu ublack ball hayi sithi nje qhubeka nje yabona lo shuni wakho qhubeka ngalo shunike lo mina ngifuna ukubona esquadini samwe
showcase yabona ukuba khona kwamthetho esiswini iyona into eyenzi eniki iKaizer Chiefs ioption ukuthi lama midfielder angakhuphuka uNdlovu noMabuwe bayokwenza asale yena yabona not like ngesikhathi beshawa iArrows sayenesizwe dysfunctional iChiefs but ngoba bekukhona umthetho beyimnandi bebengakhuphuka ngendlela abayithanda ngayo laba uMabuwe noNdlovu bayokhahlela kuzokwazi ukuthi kuphume igoli nangempela uNdlovu udlalile laze laphuma igoli ama substitute aqhamukile noma aqhamuke late ukube mhlambe kuthe zibekwa nje 45 minutes kuzoqala second half kuzoba 46 kube kukhishwa bengena uCassius bengena
hayi uKhados umhlulile le game Khados Steve ihlulile le game ngakukela futhi ukuthi ungafaka uNdlovu late kanje ufaka uMayilula late kanje abantu aba energetic ngale ndlela bahlalisele noLokhunja umkhulisi yes ukorele last game but akunike lutho he spent 70 minutes take him out 65 minutes take him out yabo uJohannes
ayibeyiwe
leyana nje it's a time ticking bomb
yabo bekuyi
uyena futhi wenza ukuthi sikhona imamelo Sundowns
ukuthi intercept ibhola
engabuye
clearisha laqonda ngqo kumdlalo weChiefs
and uslow la muntu loyana uJohannes nje deserve a loan loan nje ka 6 years
nomadiba ukuthi kanti uMsindi yabona ke the great player ke manje engiyinika iziqo Khuliso Mdavu Vurvayi VIP yani sijiva nabantu
umile nje umuntu omdala umile nje umalume
I know well done Khuliso Mdavu well done fethi game yakho ihlezi imnandi ihlezi ismooth uattacker njengewing yazi iSundowns bingenayo iwing kakhulukazi kwi second half yaka left ukhavile leso sikhala uMdawu wabona ukuthi emva kokuthi kufike oDuba sisubstituteile iChiefs yafaka azange sakwazi ukuthi akhuphuke kakhulu uMdawu ngoba ibesifikile iChiefs inqonqozile besanda kungena yabona ikwazi ukumatch up ipace yeChiefs iSundowns after ama substitute after baphuma umkhulisi bangena umkwena Junior noba yakwazi noma ebe nama tackle angekho right ke nama mistakes upass lento bengiyibuka ukuthi Sundowns slow yenza ama decision wrong inika umuntu onabantu abaseduze abazommaka ama opponent beseduze asale umuntu engibuka ukuthi ubengasheshe ikhishwe ipass ithole umuntu ongale free ozokwazi ukuthi angena shone phambili akhiphe ipass ithole uLeon hayi ukuthi ubhedile noma ube ne game embi akawatholanga amabhola ayikho playmaker beyikhona esiswini ayikho iwinger beyizothi ikhathi idraw attention yama defender Chiefs ngoba abenza sure ukuthi la akudluli lutho that means khona umuntu ofanele abe ne creativity siyayikhipha siyayicela sihlaba ama long ball siba mnandi ibikwazi ukuthi isheshe icover defense Chiefs so mayengekho umuntu one creativity nani istriker simako ama defender enza sure ukuthi awafuna uscore ingako angazange aphefumule but uke walithola second half walibamba wa10 waphasa kamnandi la overlap ibhola ngazi noma lithola uMdawini ngale ngasho nangoba uLeon wavuka wathi kusuka lapha kwi position yakhe besimnandi after mama substitute igame namhlanje
nje but
yabo
90% of the game will be boring nje, only the 10% la ubona ukuthi okay kuyadlalwa but nje lamathimba esabana. But ke kodwa ngiyethanda ukuthi masim criticize especially Mikel Cardoso because I believe he has quality. But musuthatha ubheka mfethu how many players abedlala last year angekho this season. Qala nje ngoJayden Adams akekho. There's some centers los Jayden Undamane akekho, Cupid akekho. Umqwena akekho. uNuno Santos akekho. uSales akekho. So kahle kahle 6 mangikhumbula kahle 6 abantu abangekho ama regular starters. So nawe yahlanganisa nkosamsho bengekho ready. Indlela engiyibona ngayo nje naye uhappy ngale draw.
Kodwa phela substitute mbhemi if aba players owafakile
akawathembi lama substitute la akamthembi uCassius uCardoso akamthembi uNdlovu uCardoso.
Ubuya kwakhe kwiSundowns wathi efika kwigame yakhe yokuqala uCassius wafika wahlaba igoli. You have to trust that
90 minutes uCassius Malula sewudlalile unama goals awu2. But ke ke mfethu sicela ukuthi sivale sizobuya bafethu kusasa iPirates dlala neChippa United. So bafethu siyabonga ngothando. Keep on following us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI. Danke sehr.